Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the best items you can get online. Today, we're diving into a product that's simple, versatile, and a must-have for anyone who needs to make a statement. Whether it's for a garage sale, a party, or a rental notice. This is the best white sign board you can get your hands on, the 10-pack 18 by 12-inch white corrugated plastic sign blank board from Newflager. Let's get right into it. What makes this the best? First off, it's all about the quality. These signs are made from high-quality corrugated plastic, which means they're sturdy yet lightweight. You're getting boards that are not just waterproof but also reusable, so even after the rain or a long day under the sun, these signs will hold up without getting soggy or brittle. Whether you're placing them in your yard or on a street corner, they're built to endure the outdoors. Now, in terms of size, each board measures 18 inches in length and 12 inches in width, with a thickness of 4 millimeters. That's a sweet spot for visibility, big enough to catch attention from a distance, but not so large that it becomes a hassle to handle or transport. And if you want to get creative, the material is super easy to cut or fold. You can shape it any way you want to fit your design or space, so whether you're doing arrows, speech bubbles, or unique cutouts, it's all possible. This pack includes 10 boards, so you're getting great value. It's ideal for anyone running multiple events, marketing campaigns, or even if you just want to keep a few around for DIY projects. Think garage sales, birthday parties, estate sales, or even labeling sections of a garden. These boards are blank and double-sided, giving you a clean canvas on both sides. That's perfect for when you want to write or print on them, or apply vinyl lettering. Style-wise, it keeps things simple and modern. Just plain white boards, clean and neat. And honestly, sometimes simplicity is what you need. No distracting graphics, just space to get your message across exactly how you want it. As for the brand, this comes from Newflager, a name that's gaining recognition for their reliable outdoor products. They've made sure these boards are lightweight enough to carry easily but won't flop over in the wind like paper signs would. Pair them with wire stakes or even mount them to posts or walls. It's really up to how you want to display them. So, if you're looking for a dependable, customizable, and durable signage option, the 10-pack white corrugated plastic signboards are your best bet. They're simple, effective, and they just work. No frills, just results. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If this is the kind of tool you need in your home or business, you can check out the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. See you in the next one.